Introduce highlight features and overview summary of Switch TV Dock, VOGEK Replacement for Nintendo TV Dock Station Portable Charging Docking Playstand. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. Nice small dock alternative for the Switch. Save space and travel friendly. Compact and lightweight so it fits your pocket, Switch carrying case and Switch travel bag. You just need to take this dock and original wall charger. Ideal replacement for your official Nintendo Switch dock. Our Switch TV dock is specially designed dock to replace your original Nintendo Switch dock, which can charge the Switch at the same time while playing with TV display. After connecting the dock adapter to TV/projector with HDMI cable and charger plugged in, please use Nintendo Switch Original Power Adapter. You can just go and play your game. It has a button for TV and dock mode. This Switch TV docking station is well ventilated and stays cool even while charging and use electronics. You can play your games for a long time. Moreover, you do not need to worry about scratching your Switch. A stone kills two birds. This Switch TV dock features one HDMI port, 3 USB ports, one switch button, 2 USB-C charging ports. Connect it with HDMI supported output devices such as TVs, computer monitors and laptops. Charging while playing. One button to switch between TV mode or console mode. 3 additional USB ports, 1x USB 3.0, 2x USB 2.0, allows you to connect additional devices. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.